Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Scalapay BNPL. Review my usage experience. Scalapay BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers a Buy Now Pay Later (BNPL) service allowing consumers to spread the cost of purchases over several interest-free installments. It's primarily targeted at online shoppers looking for flexible payment options at checkout. Key features appear to include easy integration with online retailers and a straightforward application process. Their website provides details on supported retailers and the application requirements. Scalapay's positioning emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. The exact technology isn't explicitly detailed on their site, but the service appears to integrate directly with online checkout processes. Availability depends on the retailer and your location. You can check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Scalapay. Getting started was incredibly simple. I signed up through their website in under 5 minutes. The process required only basic personal and financial information. Navigating the interface was also intuitive. I recently used it to purchase a new gaming keyboard from a participating retailer. During checkout, I simply selected Scalapay as my payment method, and the process was seamless. The payment schedule was clearly laid out, showing the due dates and amounts for each installment. The whole process was surprisingly quick and efficient. I received confirmation almost immediately. I had a slight hiccup where one payment failed due to insufficient funds in my account, but I contacted their customer support via email and they were very helpful in resolving the issue within 24 hours. They sent me a friendly reminder email, and I was able to update my payment information and get it sorted. I was really impressed by how straightforward the entire process was, from sign-up to payment. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing payments felt a little clunky through the browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Scalapay. It's a convenient and transparent BNPL option that's easy to use and offers excellent customer support. That's my overview of Scalapay BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.